Hey guys, here's an easy way to get your leads out of Maid Central and not have to sort them or make a separate spreadsheet for leads and active clients. So you can actually export just the leads or I guess what I would call past clients. So somebody who canceled service or had a one-time service, and then you can export another spreadsheet that has your active clients in it as well. So you can tag them appropriately when you pull them into any of your CRMs. So if you go to company in Maid Central and you go to campaigns, and then you go to customer and past clients or one-time clients, you're going to change the date to whatever date is appropriate for your company. I would go all the way back to like when you started your business using started using Maid Central for your business rather. So for this video, I'm just going to go back to January last year. I'm not going to put any pending count in. So nothing in this area, because if you do, then it's going to bring in your active clients. So to just pull in your past clients, one-time clients, leave this blank, and then just go ahead and hit search. It's going to take a minute for this to populate. So I'm just going to pause this video and then I'll show you what the results. Okay, so I have the results here. You can send this to an Excel spreadsheet so you can import it into your, or go high level users, you're going to export it to a CSV file. Anyhow, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom so I can go over on this screen. And I'm going to show you the columns that you're going to look at and you're going to update. Okay, so these two columns here is going to show you, this is scope of work. So it's going to show you what service they actually had. It's going to show you their frequency. Here you're going to see that just one job was completed. So that tells you it's like a one time, it's a single. It's not going to show up as a canceled service though. The only time they show up as a canceled service is when they actually had a recurring service and then it shows canceled. So here is just going to be blank. So what I would do in here is kind of look at what your scope of work is or your single, and you can tag them or you can create a custom field that shows the scope of work that they had. So when you pull them in, you can actually mark it based on that scope of work. And then if we pull down, I'm going to show you what a canceled client looks like. Okay, so this client here is a deluxe cleaning every 2 weeks. You can see they had 23 cleanings. And then this was their cancellation date here in this column. So this will show you that these are a past recurring client. So again, as you pull them into your database, you can update them based on this information here. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.